How to make a model follow a path in Blender. Start by adding a path curve with Shift A. Rotate it 90 degrees on the Z-axis and move it 2 units on the Y-axis. Press Ctrl A and only apply its location. Now the path should start and have its pivot point at the center of the 3D space. Now select your model and add the curve modifier to it. Set its curve object to be the path curve. To duplicate the model, add the array modifier to it. This model is facing the positive direction of the y-axis, so change the relative offset x to 0 and y to 1. Change the fit type to fit curve and select the path curve. Make sure to change the order of the modifiers. The array modifier should come before the curve modifier. Select the curve and switch to edit mode. To extend the curve, select the last vertex and press E to extrude it. To bend the curve, simply move the vertices. If the model starts to look low poly, switch to edit mode and add more loop cuts to it by pressing Ctrl R and scrolling the mouse wheel. If you want to apply the modifiers, apply the array modifier first, then the curve modifier. Now you can remove the curve path. Check out our articles, courses and assets at holotna.com.